Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Metroid Prime 2 on PC. Download and install a compatible emulator, place a verified game image in the game's folder, and set controller mappings. Next, choose the graphics backend and enable backend-specific settings for performance. Test audio and save functionality before playing. I will walk you through common options and quick fixes so you can jump into the game smoothly and confidently. Start by choosing your target resolution and aspect ratio to match your monitor and preserve intended visuals. Enable texture filtering and anisotropic filtering to sharpen surfaces without changing art. Adjust shader and post-processing options conservatively to keep frame pacing steady. If performance dips, reduce internal resolution or disable costly effects. I'll explain which toggles are safe and which ones to avoid so you can balance looks and smooth game. Use a gamepad and map the main actions to familiar buttons for accurate aiming and platforming. Set a frame limiter or enable VSync to smooth tearing and consistent timing during combat. If you notice drops, check CPU and GPU load and lower internal resolution or heavy effects. Save configuration profiles for different hardware situations so you can switch quickly. I'll show practical tweaks to keep the game responsive and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.